Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a really special speaker. This is a high premium speaker from a company called Bugani. This is the Brief Pro. It's a wireless speaker. It works with Bluetooth. It's got really high definition audio. It's absolutely amazing. Everything about it feels premium. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. But for now, let's have a look around the box. So front of the box, Bugani logo, Bugani branding, Brief Pro, unleash the power of jazz music. And we have some specs right here: high-res audio, high-res wireless audio. On the top we have a handle, and even the box feels premium, to be honest. We have the Bugani website, Bugani Acoustic Co Limited, and Shenzhen, China, where it's probably made. This is how the speaker layout is. So we got 4 speakers. It says acoustic system design. The speaker system is precisely designed by top international acoustic engineers with pure sound quality, making every listening experience an auditory feast. That's really interesting, a really nice code. On the back we have some more specs and features. We see here Bugani. Here everywhere, Bugani and environment, the primary packing material, it's free of plastic, which is pretty nice. So hi-fi rated music quality, high sound transmission, dual material woven mesh, extendable treble and bass, fast charging, alloy mechanical knobs, suede, wireless stereo communication, and dynamic bass. And obviously it works with Bluetooth, and you have a QR code right here just to scan it, make sure it's the real deal. And on the side of the box, last side of the box, it just says unleash the power of jazz music. And pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get, and as always we'll start with the small stuff first. So we have some instruction manuals right here, different languages. I suggest you give this a read. It will tell you everything you need to know about the speaker, what it can do, how to use it, and obviously how to get the most out of it. They also have this card which says hello here everywhere. Scan this QR code for more language instructions, so depending on where you are, they got you covered. That's really nice of them. So let's put this to the side. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. This is used to charge the speaker. The speaker is wireless, as I said, doesn't need to be plugged in. We have a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack cable. If you want to use it wired or you want to attach it to something else, you can do that. There's not a lot of wireless speakers that can do this, especially nowadays, but they seem to got this really well. And obviously we have the speaker right here, which looks absolutely gorgeous, with the chrome design and everything. It looks more like copper, really. The buttons as well, they're made out of aluminum, but they mimic copper. They look really good. Obviously this is the volume knob right here. On the front we have some stickers which you can take apart, you can take them off. High-res audio and high-res audio wireless. Have the Bugani logo right here. On the back we have the same color accents, everything in between, some info about the speaker. It says portable Bluetooth speaker by Bugani, and right here we have the ports which are hidden behind this silicone cap. So we have the USB Type-C port, as I said, use this to charge the speaker, and we have the 3.5mm jack if you want to connect it wired to something else. Let's have a look on the bottom. Let's turn it around. So on the bottom we have 4 rubber feet, which actually they have a bit of a, probably like 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter something, to keep it a bit off the surface. It will still be flat, but also it won't go anywhere because these are anti-skid. We have the Bugani branding right here on the bottom. Probably this is the subwoofer, and if you gently push on it you can see it moves. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I really think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Everything looking really nice. I like the chrome golden chrome color aspect. I think it looks really fancy. And let's go ahead now and connect it. Obviously you gotta turn it on. So to turn it on, all you have to do is just press this button right here.
Discovering.
Basically that's what it does. Every time you turn it on, it will say discovering, and now all you have to do is just to go to your phone or your PC, laptop, Bluetooth settings and select Bugani and press pair. But we're gonna go do that right now, and we're gonna be back for the next part of the video. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so everything is connected. It was actually super simple to do. All you have to do, like I showed you, press this button. It will say looking for devices, and then you go to your phone Bluetooth settings, and all you have to do is just click on Bugani. It will ask you if you want to pair, and that's it. You don't have to do that ever again. Once it's paired to a device, it will just connect automatically if that device has Bluetooth on, and pretty much it's plug and play. Turn it on, you can play music straight away. The volume now it's really low. We're gonna listen to my YouTube intro. I know. That's probably just 20%. So let's go ahead now and set it to 100%, which will be super high. This speaker, it's super loud, by the way, but in the same time it doesn't loses any audio quality. It's super finely tuned. I really love it. So now it's at max volume. Let's go ahead and play it and show you guys how it looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, it's absolutely loud. I don't think anybody needs to keep it that loud unless you're having a party, but it's good to know that it doesn't lose any quality of the audio when it's obviously as loud as this. And yeah, pretty much that's it. We're not gonna listen to music because I don't want YouTube to hit me with copyrights like before. My YouTube intro works as fine. It's a really nice speaker. I will definitely recommend it. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. I'll definitely recommend it again. It's a really good speaker. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.